Well, 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 what have we here? A little girl that's lost her way. And which way might you be going? Any way away from here. I'm lost, you see, and I was afeard that I would find no one to help me. But when I saw you, I knew I would get out of here, with your gracious assistance, of course, telling me, if you don't mind, where I ought to go. That depends on where you want to get to. I suggest a visit to the Queen. She would be delighted if you stopped by. Perhaps you could recite a ballad, like this one. "'Twas brillig, and the slithy toves did gyre and gimble in the wabe. All mimsy were the water groves, and the mome raths outgrabe." What did you think, little girl?
Well, I found it to be a very peculiar poem indeed.
Well, it's not as if the Queen would notice or even listen to you. However, if she doesn't like your ballad, then I'm afraid, my dear, you'll be searching for a new head.
How do you mean? I thought you said she'd like my poem. How then would I lose my head?
Because everyone else already has.
But I thought you said she'd like my poem, and that she'd be happy to see me. And you still haven't told me where I ought to go. This way or that, up or down? What sense does that make? Where does that get oneself? Nowhere at all. All of this nonsense would make someone go quite mad.
Well, then, you'd fit in quite nicely, for, my dear, we're all mad.